Hi everyone, this is Sofi and welcome to my channel PinkSugarCotton. Today I will be showing you how to make this cute Frida Kahlo chibi using polymer clay. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming tutorials. I upload new videos every week. We are going to start by making a triangle shape using polymer clay. This will be the dress, so you can use any color of your preference. Now cut out the top part and attach a headpin. Then roll a tube of flake clay and pinch one of the ends to form the hands. Make a diagonal cut and attach on both sides of the dress. Now make a spear using flesh color and attach it to the top of the dress by going through the headpin. Make two small indentations using a ball tool and fill them with a tiny ball of black clay. Then roll a super thin and small snake and attach on each side of the eyes. Add a tiny mouth in the middle using red clay. Now make the eyebrows using a thicker snake of black clay and shaping it with a silicone tool. Pre-bake following instructions on your package. Use chalk pastels to add some blush to the cheeks and make your chibi looks extra cute. Flat the ball of black clay and attach on the back of the head. Use your fingers to shape and smooth the hair. Then remove the excess using an exacto knife. Now add some texture to the hair using a needle tool. Create the braids by twisting two snakes of clay to the right and another pair to the left. Then attach them together. You're going to need one long braid and two smaller ones. Now attach them to the head like this. Cut a long rectangle of clay of your favorite color to form the scarf and press gently all the way around until you're happy with how it looks. Use two golden jump rings to simulate the earrings and attach on both sides of the head. I made a mold using amazing mold putty and a tiny rose cabochon that I got from Miniature Suite, but there are plenty of tutorials on how to make roses by hand too if you prefer to make them without a mold. I will add 5 roses to decorate the hair of my chibi, but you may add any other amount or even different types of flowers. And now we're done! Hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you next time. Bye!